Now, Vegan Future is saying you finally got leads for your client, okay, with Facebook form, 5 leads in 4 days. Now, for almost 3 days, not a single lead. What should you do? Very good question. Basically, when it comes to this kind of situation, we really need to look at what is really happening. You see, 3 days without lead, okay, may be normal. We just have to go in and see within the last 3 days, okay, how was the number going for your campaign. All right, so I would say you go into the campaign, the ads manager, look at a few things. First thing first, you check your CPM, you check your CTR, and you check your frequency, and you check the number of clicks that was really generated by the campaign itself, and you want to know where your audience fall off. Let's say, for example, you have really good CTR and you have a lot of clicks, but it's just that in the past few days, we have very little people, or almost like you say, 3 days without a lead, meaning that people are clicking, people are opening the lead form, just that people are not submitting lead. So with this kind of situation, I guess it's actually normal. We just have to wait for it to happen again. And especially if you're not spending a sizable amount of money, as in you're spending a very, let's say, a few dollar a day, you're not spending a lot, it may take some time for the campaign to exit learning, because while you're actually running campaign, at times you get result, at times you don't. Facebook is actually constantly learning and trying to get you more results as they can. So sometimes, especially when you're having a lower budget, it's beneficial to actually, run your ad a little bit. Okay, 20 euro a day, that's not very little. Yeah, in this case, I guess we have to look at the numbers itself. But Vegan, can I actually suggest that you come over and sign up for a one-on-one audit? We have this one-on-one audit, which is actually like a half an hour session where we will go through your Facebook ads campaign to see what is going on. And I'm going to give you some suggestions about how you can actually improvise your campaign and see if there's anything that you can do to do better with your campaign. This is really something that I've been working with a lot of Facebook advertisers from all around the world to really audit. We call it the Facebook ads audit, as in like, I'm going to dive into your campaign. We are going to dive into your campaign for half an hour, and we're going to look at the numbers, and we're going to come up with a plan on how can we optimize this.